If you're looking for the best professional drones for photography, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on the features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have DJI Air 2S Drone Quadcopter UAV. DJI Air 2S is another one of the best professional drones that come with dual controllers, and it is designed for industrial applications. The high speed helps the drone to remain in focus and capture images and videos without any blur. The flying range of this professional-grade drone is also very impressive as it covers a long distance with ease. The camera setup of this drone is great and gives high-quality images and videos. It is a perfect drone for professionals who need high-quality drone footage, but the only thing is it's quite expensive than other drones. It comes with multiple flying modes and also supports 2 controllers, and can be controlled using both of them. It is one of the best drones for professionals looking to invest in a drone that has all the advanced features without compromising on its quality or durability. Overall, DJI Air 2S is an ideal choice for professionals to get accurate results in any kind of environment, giving them complete freedom to move around without having to worry about distance from the device because this professional-grade drone provides a control range of up to 18.5 km. Its camera has a good resolution that captures high-quality pictures and videos during its flight period. You can rely on this best professional drone for any kind of job you throw at it, as it will not let you down. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with all Robotics EVO Roman 2 8K drone camera. All EVO Roman 2 series is one of the best professional drones used by photographers and cinematographers. This series of all EVO Roman 2 is a very intelligent drone that offers you high-quality imagery even at a distance of 5.5 miles from the controller. The camera resolution of this drone is 48 MP and comes with a 6-axis gyroscopic stabilization system. The camera has various features like autofocus, optical zoom, panorama shot, and other innovative features which will surely enhance your photography skills to another level. The Autel EVO Roman 2 drone gives a flight time of about 40 minutes and comes with a 7,100 mAh battery. This helps the drone to remain in high-quality condition during its flight period, even when it captures images or shoots videos in a windy environment. You can also capture photos from various angles with the help of several shooting modes given in this professional-grade drone. For professionals who want to get the best out of the drones in their time and money, then all EVO Roman 2 series is for them. The features that it presents and the quality of videos and images that these drone captures are worth praising. This professional-grade drone is ideal for professionals like cinematographers, photographers, real estate agents, videography professionals, etc. The number 3 position is held by DJI Mavic 2 Pro Drone Quadcopter. Mavic 2 Pro by DJI is yet another one of the best professional drones that come with a 20 MP camera. This drone is designed for professionals in the Hollywood industry, and the reason is its HD imaging features which produce sharp videos and images from high-resolution sensors present in this drone. Mavic 2 Pro also has a longer flight time as compared to other drones, which means you can take your camera on a long journey, so it will have enough time to capture shots from various angles without you worrying about the battery draining out soon. The DJI Mavic 2 has a portability feature that makes it stand apart from other professional drones, as its foldable design helps it to be stored easily, or if you want, then you can just put it in your backpack wherever you go. Overall, DJI Mavic 2 Pro is an ideal choice for professionals looking to invest in a drone that has top-notch features like long flight time, easy portability with enough storage space, more accurate tracking with sensors on all sides, good resolution cameras which produce sharp videos and images, etc. at an affordable price range. This professional drone gives you great value for your money as it provides you with almost everything that expensive products provide, but the only difference is that they come at a much higher price than this best professional drone does. Next, at number 4 we have DJI Mavic 3 Camera Drone. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone is one of the best professional drones, which delivers above-average performance in almost every aspect. The design of this drone is similar to its previous model, DJI Mavic 2 Pro, so it has got a foldable design that makes it easy to carry around and convenient to store when not in use. It comes with a 5000 mAh LiPo battery that provides maximum power backup and keeps the device running for sufficient time even after prolonged use. This professional drone supports gesture controls, which means it can be used hands-free if both hands are occupied with other work like carrying luggage or cooking food. Gesture control also helps you fly the device without touching it by simply moving your hands. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a great professional drone that comes with almost all the features that similar products provide within a higher price range, as well as the ability to fly for more than 30 km. It has got some really cool features like high-quality cameras, good battery life, an excellent battery backup, etc., which have made it one of the best drones in its price range. The number 5 position is held by DJI Inspire 2 drone. The DJI Inspire 2 is the epitome of professional technology. The Inspire 2 features a magnesium alloy body, dual battery system, and retractable landing gear. The Inspire 2 has 5 customizable buttons that can be programmed for ease of use. The advanced flight modes are what put the professional in professional drones. These include terrain follow, drone waypoints, point of interest, and curved cable cam. The Inspire 2 is what you need to take your professional aerial photography and cinematography to the next level. The drone can fly at speeds of up to 58 mph in sport mode. You'll also find an onboard obstacle avoidance system and a transmission system that can operate at distances of up to 4.3 miles, 7 km. This drone is perfect for professional filmmakers, photographers, and surveyors. The DJI Inspire 2 professional drone is the undisputed king of professional drones. Not only does this professional drone look professional because it looks like military hardware, but it is also made for professional use with its powerful sensors and long flight time. The number 6 position is dominated by DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is the drone with the biggest battery in the list of professional drones with cameras. It is one of the best drones from DJI in terms of a powerful aerial platform, a high-quality camera, and a number of features that make it suitable for all kinds of commercial uses. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 comes with a flight range of around 10 km, which is far more than most commercial drones out there. A user-friendly interface allows you to get the drone up in the air quickly and easily. The longer flight range comes with a high speed and large battery capacity, so DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is the best choice for photographers and videographers who are looking for a medium to long-range drone with a quality camera. Overall, this is one of the most innovative drones from DJI that offers a lot of bang for your buck. It has a maximum speed and flight time which can make it a suitable solution even for professional photography applications. If you want the best from your drone, get ready to spend money on DJI Best Professional Drone. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Freefly Alta 8. Freefly Alta 8 is one of the most talked about drones with a camera as it is specifically designed for top quality aerial shots. This flying machine comes with impressive features that allow you to take professional quality images from the air. Altitude hold mode and dynamic return to home functions make this device incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Attaching different cameras on this drone will give you an opportunity to produce top quality videos at ease without spending money on multiple devices. All in all, Freefly Alta 8 is a top quality flying machine that offers you the opportunity to take amazing, professional quality images from the air, which can be used for different purposes. Overall, this is the best professional drone you can get as it comes with a wide range of capabilities and features. It has got all the good qualities you might look for in a camera drone, making it an optimal choice if your priority is taking professional images from the air. Freefly Alta 8 can be used both professionally and recreationally, which makes this device incredibly versatile. If you're looking to enhance your aerial photography skill set, Freefly Alta 8 will be a top-notch investment for sure. The number 8 position is held by DJI FPV Combo. DJI FPV is the innovative side of DJI camera drones. It features an FPV live video transmission system with a 16.8 km range which gives you the joy of being able to see everything your drone sees in real time. Flight time is pretty solid as well, being able to stay airborne for up to 20 minutes during a single charge session with a 2000 mAh battery. A return home function will be activated automatically when your signal gets lost or is about to drop out, which makes this device incredibly easy and intuitive to use even for beginners. Altitude hold mode is something you'll definitely enjoy since it allows you for smooth footage recording without constantly changing altitude manually. In terms of safety, this model has 2 built-in sensors that will prevent it from colliding with obstacles or other aircraft, as well as a powerful motor that makes sure you don't lose track of your drone even in windy conditions. Overall, this is an awesome camera drone that features all the goodies you might be looking for in such machines. With its compact design and lightweight body, carrying it around won't be a problem at all. It's durable and can withstand harsh outdoor weather conditions without showing signs of damage or wear and tear whatsoever. Obstacle avoidance systems are amazing as well, ensuring that there's no way to accidentally crash into objects during the flight. If you're looking to get a professional quality camera drone, DJI FPV will definitely deliver on all accounts. So check it out if the main purpose of your purchase is taking some stunning aerial videos and images. Finally, the number 9 position is dominated by FIMI's 8 Mini Camera Drone 250 Quadcopter drone. In the crowd of DJI drones, we often forget the other great players in the market. FIMI's 8 Mini is one such example. This drone has an altitude hold mode which allows beginners or inexperienced pilots to get used to flying it while capturing great footage at the same time. And since we're talking about controls, keep in mind that there are different flight modes available which you'll find useful when learning how to pilot the device properly. This drone comes with a 57.6 mph top speed which makes it one of the fastest camera drones available on the market today. Surprisingly, this small drone can withstand strong winds without making you worry about losing control over it. With FIMI's 8 Mini, you will definitely get to enjoy all of its functions and features for a long period of time since it's built to last. Overall, if you're looking for a solid camera drone that's packed with some neat features that any amateur or professional aerial videographer would love, FIMI's 8 Mini is a great choice for you. That's all for today. We upload outdoor product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.